In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cut your rotisserie chicken into pieces to serve it for dinner and get the most meat. Hey, I'm Laura and I'm a busy mom who often buys a rotisserie chicken for her family to get dinner on the table real quick. Let me show you how I cut it so everyone gets a piece of what they like and waste a little less. So I'm ready to serve the chicken. I'm gonna simply take it out of the tray and onto a cutting board. Now don't discard this yet, we're gonna do something with our juices. For the job, you can use a carving knife if you have one. It has a little rounded base right here, or a chef's knife, whatever you have on hand. First thing you wanna do is remove that string that all rotisserie chickens have. I like to cut the chicken from the outside in, so I save the breast for last. That means starting with either our thigh area or the wings. So let's start with the thigh by separating it from our chicken. Now, if you need to separate the drumstick from the thigh, you can also do that, and you can separate it with your hand. And if you want, you can use your knife to separate from the bone. So now these two are ready, I'm just gonna put it on the tray. I also have the wing here on the side, and the wing oftentimes kind of falls apart a little bit, so you can just sort of shimmy it and dislocate it, and it comes off really easily. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of the chicken, separate it, my thigh first, and then the wing. Now, I often also keep that lid on the side to kind of discard any extra skin or bones that come off, so I can keep my surface rather clean-ish. So now that I'm left with the chicken breast only on my carcass, I take my knife and I use it to cut my way through the top on both sides of that middle bone or that breastbone, and I'm gonna take that chicken breast off and away, and I'm gonna do the same with the other side. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them for you on my channel. Now, sometimes when you take that whole breast, the ribs come with it. So I just take with my hands, I remove that rib bone from underneath so no one gets a bone on their plate, but make sure to keep all the meat. Now, of course, you're gonna wanna manually remove any of this chicken meat that's still left close to that. That's usually still part of the breast real quick. If you're like the kind of person that likes to make stock, maybe you leave a little bit on there, but my family, there's 5 of us. I need all the chicken out of this guy. Now, before I show you how I cut the breast, make sure you don't forget to get also the chicken meat that's on the underside, or the oysters, which typically nobody serves, but I like to eat, so it's your treat. Now, if in your family, everyone wants some chicken breast, let me show you what to do. You have those chicken breasts, which you already removed the ribs from underneath it, and it's ready to go. So you take your knife and you're going to cut these chicken breasts diagonally into maybe like 1/2-inch pieces so that they are whole pieces of chicken breast that you can then serve up and divvy up. Now, I did tell you that I was gonna show you what I do with the chicken juices that are left on your tray. You wanna make sure that these juices are still warm or hot, and I simply take them and I pour them right over my chicken because it makes it juicier, it gives it flavor, and why not? Nobody likes dry chicken. Now, if rotisserie chicken is your thing, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. This video is part of an entire rotisserie chicken series. I'll make sure to leave them right below for you no matter when you find me. See you next time.